Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is a goldmine for passive income. With the right strategies, you can scale to $5,000 a month or more. Success starts by finding high-demand, low-competition niches. Research tools like Publisher Rocket can help. Popular examples of niches include nonfiction on personal finance and low-content books like planners. Next, focus on creating high-quality content. Nonfiction should solve problems, while fiction needs compelling stories. Consider hiring ghostwriters or designers to ensure professional-grade content. Building a catalog increases your earning potential. Aim to publish multiple titles within your niche. Your book cover is crucial. Use bold colors and clear fonts that match your niche. Optimize your listings with effective titles, compelling descriptions, and relevant keywords. Master Amazon advertising. Start with small budgets and track your ad performance. Build your brand with an Amazon author page and promote on social media. Maximize revenue by offering books in different formats, like paperback and audiobooks. Analyze your sales data and continuously improve your listings by updating covers and keywords. Stay consistent and patient to reach $5,000 a month. Quality and strategy are key. Achieving $5,000 a month on Amazon KDP is possible with the right approach. Focus on quality content and strategic tools.